Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing my Oraimo 40,000 mAh power bank with you. So for like about 2 months now, we don't have lights. Our transformer got explode and I really don't know what they are doing about it. They have been doing meeting but then not coming back to reality, so I just had to try to check out for other sources I can just use. Content creation requires light oftentimes, so I checked online and I discovered that this Oraimo power bank can power 2 ring lights at the same time. So I got it for 47,000 naira and I got it about 3 days ago. So I'm filming this currently July 2024, so that is the price I got mine, July 2024. I learned that about 2 or 3 months ago the power bank was just about 30,000 naira, so it has increased, price keeps changing. So I got this my own for 47,000 naira and I got it lately July 2024. So guys, I'm going to be unboxing it now. Check how it looks like together. It comes with a plastic casing. This is it, and the power bank is very heavy. Yeah, so I think power bank weight is depending on how much the mAh is. I think that is because it is 40,000 mAh, so 30,000 mAh is more lighter. Turn and you see how it looks like. So currently it's having 78%, although when I bought it from the vendor it was having about 66% on it. So I just asked the vendor to charge it a little for me, so he powered it up to this point, and I think I left it with the vendor for about 3 hours. So about 3 hours for it to go from 66% to 78%. So that is because the mAh is very strong, and it also comes with this small piece of charger. I'm very certain that this cannot charge anything. I have to get another charger, so I actually got this charger, though I've unboxed this already. So I got new age. Yeah, this is what I got, and it has 2 cables, so I can just get one more cable and plug it here. So this is new age charger, so I'll be using this to charge it because the vendor told me that this is fast enough, so I just got this also. You just read out the pictures of the power bank. It has earning fast, so that means that it's very fast for charging, and it is 22.5 watts. It also has 365 days warranty, so that means that if anything goes wrong with it within a year, I have the right to return it back to the Oraimo factory and they will change it or they will repair it for me, anyone they choose to do. It also has 5 outputs. Yes, so it also has touch lights here, and it has 5 outputs. So I feel like it's going to be nice, and I really pray that it's going to serve me. So I got it for 47,000 naira, and this is how it looks like, the Oraimo power bank 40,000 mAh. So guys, thank you for watching. So guys, thank you for unboxing with me. Would you like to buy one? Let me know in the comment section. Have you bought one before? How did it work? And also let me know in the comment section. Until then guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.